Hey Bells, I want to show you this new hair I received from Toyotress.com. This is their Ocean Wave hair. It is crochet hair. I have the color P1B/30. And I received 8 packs of hair. And it also came with this crochet needle. The hair is almost like highlighted with the 30 colors. Really pretty. It is a yaki texture as well, so it's going to blend well with natural hair. There is a sheen to the hair, but if it's too shiny for you, you can just use some dry shampoo to get rid of the shine. Also, if you plan on brushing it out, it also helps dull down that luster. My local beauty supply store, I purchased this crochet cap. I'm going to secure it to the wig cap with some T-pins. Now, it comes with like a fake lace part. To me, the part is really wide. I'm going to show you a way to sort of camouflage that. Also, if you want to, you can cut the lace out. You don't have to wear the lace. You can wear this like a U part or a V part wig. Anyway, so I'm showing you how to crochet the hair. I normally go through about 2 different holes on my wig cap so I can get as much cap as possible. Then I pull the hair through and then loop it twice before tightening the knot. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of different times so you can sort of get the idea. So I'm going to pull the hair through the loop, twist the loop, and then pull the hair through again. And this is sort of like double knotting the hair so that way it's more secure on the wig cap and you ain't got to worry about the hair falling out. It's locked in. Now with this hair, you guys, because I have 8 bundles, in this video, I'm sort of putting the knots close together. Try to stagger them, space them out because it's so much hair. You don't have to have hair all over the cap. I don't think I'm saying that correctly, but I'm just trying to say to space the hair out. Don't overlap them. Don't put them right on top of each other. Just like sort of stagger the hair. So like I said, I pull the hair through the loop and I'm double knotting it to secure it to the wig cap. It's really easy. I was watching TV while doing this. It was actually sort of fun and relaxing, which is weird. And Bells, please forgive my nails. I was in the process of taking my nails off so I can do a new set. Then I realized I gotta do my hair and I didn't want to do my hair with my new nails and damage my new nails. So let's just ignore the elephant in the room. When you see me on my next video, they'll be done. So guys, I'm showing you right here. This is just one bundle of hair. Just one bundle. You can see how much it covers. So you can definitely space this hair out. Now, I'm doing this on the cap, but you can definitely cornrow your hair and crochet it to your hair. I just have really thin hair, especially in my crown. So crocheting my natural hair is just not an option for me. That's why I'm so grateful that somebody invented this cap. I have seen a cornrow braided cap before, but I'm just like, I don't know if I can do that. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, I stopped filling the hair in because I want to work on the parting space because I want to be able to see how much more hair I'm going to need on top after I filled in the space. So the technique up here is a little bit different than what I was doing on the rest of the wig. So I just pull the hair through the cap per usual. Now what I'm going to do, instead of pulling all the hair through the loop, I'm only going to grab half of the hair and pull it through the loop and then securely knot the hair. It's sort of hard to verbalize what I'm doing, but hopefully you guys can see it. But I'm just pulling half of that hair through the loop and I'm going to pull it tight. And you can see it creates a smaller knot and it makes it look more natural. Like this is more like an invisible part for your crochet hair. So anyways, I'm going through 2 holes, 2 or 3 holes, however many you want to. I'm going to pull that hair through. I'm going to open up the loop so I can slide my fingers in. And I'm going to grab only half of the hair that's on the other side here and pull it through. And then we're going to tighten it so that it creates a knot. Okay, I got a little bit too enthusiastic about that one. But anyway, I'm going to do this all the way around the closure. So that way, like I said, it creates almost like an invisible part. It's going to help hide the fishnet cap and look a whole lot more natural, especially if you have any leave out. Because like I said, you can wear this like a V-part wig. And if you just have a little bit of leave out, it's going to be easier to blend it in. But if you are like me and you don't want to have any leave out when it comes to your parting space, then this is going to help you out a lot. So now that I'm done filling in the closure area, I'm going to go back through the wig and find any sparse areas that need more hair and add more hair to it. And this is what the wig is looking like completed. So next you're going to see how I install the wig and make it look its absolute best. So I've washed my hair and conditioned it, and now I got this little fro. So I'm just going to put like some twist in it to like lay it down flatter. So I was going to do a wig cap, but I decided I didn't want that peeking through because like it's like a fishnet cap and it might show through a little bit more. I felt more comfortable doing that too because it's a fishnet cap rather than like a stocking cap or one of those hard caps that's going to take your hair out. Anyways, I'm just putting some contour powder onto the lace to make it darker and blend better with my skin color. This cap has combs in the front and combs in the back. So it has two in the front and one in the back. I was going to do a middle part, but I know you guys love side parts. So I said, let me just change it up for the girls. It actually came out really cute. So I'm sort of glad I did do a side part. But you know. Anyways, I'm just adjusting it so it fits my head. And I'm like, oh my God, this hair is so pretty. I was going to do all like a one color one. But I was like, it's summertime, let's do some color. And I'm glad I did because the highlights are so pretty in this unit. Anyways, I'm going to do some face framing layers. Guys, I just grabbed whatever scissors I had in front of me. Try to get some hair cutting scissors or like some industrial scissors because this is crochet hair. It's a little bit more sturdy hair. So like get some scissors that are meant to cut hair, baby. Anyways, I'm just cutting random pieces of hair that I feel are too long. And I'm just cutting some face framing layers in the front so that it looks a little bit more, I don't want to say natural, but you know, so it looks better, more flattering for my face. And so what I'm going to do next is just tease the hair that's around this parting space to try and make the parting space look a little bit more narrow. As I told you guys, the lace on this cap is really wide for some reason. So I'm just going to back comb the hair to hide it. If you have a teasing comb, that'll work a whole lot better than a brush, just to give you guys a tip. But I don't have a teasing comb, so I'm just using what I have on hand. Next, I'm going to blend my little bit of leave out here with the hair just to give it a little bit more of a natural look as well. My hair is 4C and I'm natural. So I'm going to be using some edge control to help blend the hair in better. This is the Kiss Edge Fixer. Like when I first tried this product, I did not care for it. Like now I am in love with it. I don't know. Don't ask me, you guys. So I'm going to do a little bit of baby hair. Just a little bit on the perimeter here. I think it just looks a lot better with this hair texture because this hair texture is just giving me wavy mermaid curls and I love it. So this is how the hair looks straight out the pat, just a little bit combed out with my fingers, just a little bit. And I think it looks so beautiful. Ocean wave hair, baby. It is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like a mermaid or something, you know? I was planning on leaving it like this, but I know somebody was going to ask me, Melissa, how does the hair look when it's brushed out? So I was like, oh God. So I decided to go back in. I'm going to brush out one side to show you what it looks like. To me, it's gorgeous brushed out, but when you brush it out, it does get a lot bushier because there's so much hair on there. I think if you're going to brush it out, I would go in with some thinning shears to thin it out so that way it's more controllable. But it's giving me like old Hollywood glam slash Houston, Texas Bama hair. You know what I mean? Like it's really, really pretty brushed out. So you'll see that here on the, what is it, the right side? Yeah, the right side, you can see it brushed out. I wasn't feeling it because I know it's going to be a lot more work. So I'm going to show you on the other side how it looks when you finger detangle the hair. So I'm just separating the ringlets with my fingers and combing through it with my fingers to try to show you the difference in the hair. Like to me, I prefer it finger detangled because the curls are still defined and they're still loose and separated, and you still get that volume and you still get that more natural loose curl, but it's just more controllable to me. So that's my preference, but hopefully this was helpful. I will have this here linked down below in the description bar. If I have any discount codes, I will put those down below in the description bar as well. So I will catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you so much. Until next time, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.